All right, I am making a lot of stuff, doing a lot of changes, but this video right here is going to be for my microgreens. I want to show you something that I've been doing that's been working like a charm. And this right here, what I'm going to be using, I really like these because you can plant whatever it is that you want, and you, instead of trying to take it out the pot or whatever, you can put it straight into the ground. I love it. It's dope. Helps you start seeds. And we're just going to get these microgreens growing because we need it. We need it 100%. We need these microgreens. So I've already tried one time, but I think my microgreens are getting too much sun because they have to be in not a lot of light. And matter of fact, some people will put a towel over it because I went to the farmer's market and this one lady was telling me about how she'll put a towel over it and she'll just let them rock like that. But my plan is to get these in some soil, wet the soil, put them on top. I think where I went wrong is I just dug a little hole and I put these seeds in, expected them to grow, but it's a different type of mix. It's a mild mix. It has, what does it have in it? It has, let's see, this one has cabbage, it has kale, it has, I don't even know this one, mustard, tatsoi, black knight, cabbage, pak choy, and mustard, mizuna. So this got a whole lot of going on in it. So let's see, you see that? There it is. And it's organic. So I'm gonna get the soil, pour it on top, and we're gonna get to it. Look at that, beautiful. So really, these can be cut and you can get them rocking wherever you want. I'm not going to use this. That's just for extra nutrients. And these are labels. I need to start labeling my stuff because I honestly don't do a good job of labeling my stuff. Excuse my ashy hands. I've been outside just all out here and my hands have lost all their moisture. Promise you, I have not been ashy all day. This is just from being outside. We're gonna get some soil. It doesn't need to be too high, just needs to be half full. And get some soil going. Get some soil going. There's some organic potting soil that I just put in there. Works like a charm. But yeah, no, I've really enjoyed this free food. I mean, free food. Now this right here, I had to pay for this. Okay, had to pay for this. But the free food that I'm talking about, when I just buy from the HEB or from one of my stores like Natural Grocers or Sprouts, and I get a chance to use the seeds and get the seeds and plant them. Oh my goodness, I get so excited. I get so excited. And oh yeah, another disclaimer. I am not a professional. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing. But in my own head, we already knew how to do this because food was given to us. Food was given to us for free. And I have to stand on that. So you say you don't know how to do it, but I'm telling you, I think you know how to do it. I think you were born knowing how to do it. Food has been free this whole time. We've been overcomplicating the process. I'm gonna get just a little bit more. And I don't really like using gardening gloves unless I'm pulling weeds. I like to get it all up in my hands. Get all that. Studies show It's actually good. It's very good. It's good for your skin. It's good for your mind. Good for your nails. I'm not just making this stuff up. It's very good. All right. So I'm really just supposed to, I'm going to mist this soil. I'm not going to water it. I was going to water it, but these are really small, so I'm going to mist this. All right. Just give it a little something, something. It doesn't need to be drowned in. It just needs a little something. Trying to get it. There we go. And so I do know that microgreens grow dense. And you know what? So seeds get sprinkled on the top. So I'm just gonna sprinkle them on top. These don't need a press down or anything like that. These right here, these gonna be in my salads. Once these get to going, these are gonna be in my salads. Put these out.
If you're looking to start planting your own herbs, veggies, or flowers, this biodegradable Jiffy seed starting kit is a great way to get going. It's what I personally use to start my seeds the natural way. I'll post where I got mine in the description. Be well.